Alright guys, if you're on a tight budget and you're looking for a place to get some free courses, then this video is going to show you exactly that. First, going to get to Google and then you're going to type free courses. I've already done it, so let's load up the previous page I looked at. And then you want to look for gov-funded UK courses. Click that link. And then you want to look at free courses. Once you're on this page, if you want to do the cybersecurity one like myself, click the IT button and click the cybersecurity tab, and this will take you through it. It is level 2 certificate in principles of cybersecurity. It's going to take you 6 to 12 weeks, 5 to 10 hours per week, so it's very realistic. You can easily set aside enough time to do that, and it's a fully accredited qualification once you complete the course. This is funded by the UK government, so take advantage of it because you don't get too many free things from the UK government. What you need to do is click start the free course, and then you just check your eligibility. I think most people can do this. If you work full time, you just have to submit your details, and then you'll have someone come back to you, and then they'll assign you a course tutor, and then you're able to start doing the course. It's as simple as that. And one final thing, so once you've completed the course, you've done all the modules, you've worked with your course tutor, you'll be presented by your certificate, and this is it. It's simple as that. It's a free course, so what you got to lose? It's not going to cost you anything. Take advantage of it, because you don't know how long the UK government are going to be funding these courses. So if you can get on it as soon as possible. Add that extra qualification to your CV. I'll speak to you soon.